A smart toilet can revolutionize your bathroom experience, but to keep it performing like new, regular maintenance is key. In this video, we'll guide you through essential steps to maximize its lifespan and efficiency. Regular cleaning. Cleaning your smart toilet is the simplest yet most important step for long-term performance. Regular cleaning not only ensures hygiene but also prevents harmful buildups like limescale and bacteria that can interfere with sensors or the flushing system. Use mild, non-abrasive cleaner. Harsh chemicals can damage delicate parts like sensors or bidet nozzle. Focus on areas like the toilet bowl, bidet nozzles, and sensor panel. A quick wipe down after every use keeps everything in top shape and ensures smooth operation for years. Maintaining the bidet system. Bidet nozzles are integral to your smart toilet's hygiene function. To avoid clogs and ensure effective cleaning, it's essential to keep the nozzles clean. Use a soft cloth or a small toothbrush to gently scrub away any residue, ensuring water pressure and spray angles stay optimal. Some models feature self-cleaning nozzles, but manual cleaning every 1 to 2 weeks still improves performance. Regular upkeep of the bidet nozzles ensures a hygienic, comfortable experience every time you use your toilet. Air purification and deodorizing systems. If your smart toilet has an air purification or deodorizing system, replacing the air filter regularly is crucial. A clean filter helps neutralize odors and keeps your bathroom smelling fresh. Depending on your model, filters should typically be replaced every 6 months to a year. Neglecting to replace a dirty filter can reduce the effectiveness of the system, leaving unpleasant smells lingering longer than necessary. Software and firmware updates. Smart toilets often come with software or firmware updates to optimize performance. These updates can improve features such as bidet function, water pressure, and energy efficiency. Regularly check for updates through the manufacturer's app or website, especially if you notice any functionality issues. While updates are automated on some models, it's essential to ensure that your toilet has the latest version installed to maintain peak performance. Inspecting for leaks and plumbing issues. Leaks and plumbing issues are often overlooked, but even a small leak can lead to costly damage. Inspect the plumbing connections, water supply valves, and the base of the toilet for any moisture. Tighten any loose connections, or if necessary, call in a plumber to resolve the issue. By catching potential leaks early, you can avoid water damage, preserve the efficiency of your toilet, and prevent expensive repairs down the line. Professional servicing. Smart toilets feature complex electrical and plumbing systems that require occasional professional servicing. If you notice persistent issues with sensors, flushing, or water flow, it might be time for expert maintenance. Annual servicing ensures all internal components are functioning optimally. Addressing issues early with a professional can prevent small problems from escalating and help maintain your smart toilet's high-tech performance for years to come. Troubleshooting common problems. Like any advanced tech, smart toilets can occasionally run into problems. If a sensor isn't working properly, gently clean it with a microfiber cloth and check for obstructions. If the bidet isn't functioning, inspect the nozzle and water supply for blockages. For persistent issues, consult your user manual or contact the manufacturer's support team. Troubleshooting issues regularly will help you maintain smooth performance and avoid unnecessary disruptions in your daily routine. Cost considerations for maintenance. Smart toilets may have a higher upfront cost than traditional models, but they can save you money in the long run by reducing the need for costly repairs or replacements. Maintenance costs include cleaning supplies, filter replacements, and professional servicing, but these are minor compared to the convenience, hygiene, and durability these toilets offer. Taking care of your smart toilet ensures it remains a valuable, cost-effective investment over time. By following these key maintenance tips, from regular cleaning to professional servicing, you'll ensure that your smart toilet stays efficient, hygienic, and reliable for years. Ready to get started? Let's dive in.